I have here Sony WH-1000XM5 overhead noise cancelling headphones. That's a very common issue which is not connecting to the Bluetooth. If you're facing that problem, try this method, you will love it. So just first, when your phone, look at this, it is turning on. So just press and hold until it's completely dead. Shut down your headphone. After this, what you need to do, this is a noise cancelling button, so you need to press noise cancelling button and power button together for a few seconds, so your headphone will reset. So let's try. So press noise cancelling and power button together for a few seconds until the lights blink 4 times. So press and hold until you see the blue light comes on. 1 2 3 4, and now it's good. So after that, when you turn on, and you can easily connect to your Bluetooth, you can connect to any Bluetooth device like your cell phone, your computer, and your even TV. Thank you very much for joining me. See you in the